So here I am using sticky notes. You can use the paper, okay? Measurements are on the screen. So fold your paper thrice and then draw a petal and then cut it off. So whenever you are cutting the petals, please try to make the round corner. Now chop the flowers into two parts so that we can make more flowers. So for hydrangea, you need your stem to be very thick. Also we need two strips like this so that we can make upper part of our flower. Now stick all the flowers to the stem. And that's it, your beautiful flower is ready. I have made different flower tutorials on my channel. Please check that out. And please subscribe the channel Winquest Education.